the jar that is harder to open, the stairs that require more effort, the grocery bags that feel heavier than they used to, the specific, private, slightly frightening awareness of a body that is less capable than it was 5 years ago. Is this just aging, or is something else happening? The answer, and the truth I want to share with you today, is that most of what you're experiencing is not inevitable at all. It is the result of 4 daily habits that are actively accelerating muscle loss, stealing capacity that your body is still completely capable of maintaining. Once you know what these habits are, you can stop them. Starting today, habit number 4 genuinely surprises everyone. It happens while you're asleep. But first, let's talk about the specific statistics that most doctors never discuss proactively with their patients. After 30, the body naturally loses 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade. After 60, this rate accelerates up to 1 to 2% per year. By 70, the average person has lost 30 to 40% of the muscle they had at 30. This isn't just cosmetic, it's about your independence. Sarcopenia is directly associated with increased fall risk, reduced bone density, and even decreased cognitive function. After 60, your body faces anabolic resistance. It becomes less efficient at converting protein into muscle. You need more deliberate support than you did at 40. Muscle is metabolically expensive. The body doesn't maintain what it doesn't use. Every day of the wrong habits signals that less muscle is needed. But research shows that adults in their 80s who begin the right protocols can gain meaningful muscle mass in just 8 to 12 weeks. The window isn't closed. Habit number 1 is something most people do for 3 to 5 hours every single day: prolonged sitting. When you sit for more than 30 to 45 minutes, your lower body muscles, your largest and most active, become metabolically dormant. Lipoprotein lipase, the enzyme responsible for fat metabolism, shuts down within minutes. Muscle protein synthesis drops by 50%. This reduces IGF-1, the primary hormone responsible for muscle maintenance, signaling your body to accelerate the loss. An hour of morning exercise does not compensate for 8 hours of sitting. The loss is additive. It's happening right now for most of you. The fix is the sit-break protocol. Maximum 30 minutes of sitting, followed by a mandatory 2-minute movement break. Not a workout, just standing, walking to the kitchen, 10 calf raises, marching in place during a commercial break. This 2-minute reset reactivates synthesis and restores IGF-1. It's the minimum signal your body needs to stay active. Set a timer for 30 minutes right now. That 2 minutes is the difference between maintaining your muscle and quietly losing it. Habit number 2 is a nutrition mistake. It's not about eating too much of the wrong thing, it's about not eating enough of the right thing. Dietary protein is the raw material your body uses to repair muscle. Without it, your body cannibalizes its own tissue to meet essential needs. Most adults over 60 need 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram daily. For a 150-pound person, that's up to 109 grams. Most eat barely half that. Timing is just as important. You need enough leucine, a specific amino acid, at every single meal to trigger the building process. The light breakfast and skipped lunch pattern means you aren't hitting that threshold. Your body only builds muscle if you give it the signal throughout the day. The fix: 30 grams of protein at every meal, 3 eggs and salmon for breakfast, or Greek yogurt with protein powder. For lunch, a large chicken breast or tuna. For dinner, a palm-sized portion of meat or fish. Distribution is key. Count your protein tomorrow. Not forever, just tomorrow. That gap between what you eat and what you need is being paid for in muscle. Every day. Habit number 3 is the one most people think they are already addressing, but they aren't. Walking is not enough to stop muscle loss. Muscle is maintained through mechanical tension. You must ask your muscles to work against meaningful resistance to trigger growth signals like mTOR. Walking is great for your heart, but it doesn't challenge your major muscle groups enough to prevent sarcopenia. You need resistance. Adults in their 70s who begin resistance training gain pounds of muscle in weeks. Your capacity to respond doesn't disappear, it just needs the right signal. The fix is the minimum effective dose: 8 minutes, 5 movements. First, chair squats, 10 repetitions to target glutes and quads. Second, wall push-ups, hands on the wall, body straight. 10 repetitions to target your chest and shoulders. Third, calf raises, rising onto your toes and lowering with control, crucial for stability and fall prevention. Fourth, resistance band rows, pulling back toward your hips to target your back muscles and posture. And fifth, hip hinges, hinging forward to target your posterior chain, just 10 reps each, every single day. 8 minutes, no gym, no heavy weights, just the decision to give your muscles the signal they need to stay strong. Habit number 4 is the one that surprises everyone because it happens while you are asleep. Poor sleep quality is stealing your muscle. Sleep is your primary anabolic window. Growth hormone, which repairs and maintains muscle, is produced during slow-wave deep sleep. This hormone stimulates synthesis and suppresses cortisol. Without deep sleep, your body can't convert today's protein into tomorrow's muscle. Poor sleep elevates cortisol, which is catabolic. It actively breaks down muscle for fuel. You're working against yourself if you aren't sleeping well. A warm bedroom, late-night eating, and scrolling on your phone in bed all delay and reduce that precious deep sleep onset. The fix: keep your room between 65 and 68 degrees. Cool sleep isn't just anti-aging, it is specifically pro-muscle. Nothing after 7 p.m. except water. Late meals cause insulin spikes that inhibit your first and most important growth hormone release. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Consistency produces more deep sleep than total time alone. And no phone after 9 p.m. Blue light suppresses deep sleep. Protect your growth hormone surge. Protect your muscle. These 4 habits are a system. Each one depends on the others to create a physical environment that maintains your strength. Protein provides the material. Resistance provides the signal. Sleep provides the hormonal surge to build it. Sitting less keeps it all active. This system works at 60, at 70, and at 80. It's about giving your body the support it's actually waiting for. So remember, break up sitting every 30 minutes. Eat 30 grams of protein at every single meal. Spend 8 minutes on your 5 movements daily, and protect your sleep with cool temps and consistent timing. Your action item for the next 10 minutes: count the protein in yesterday's meals. Just count. See where that gap is for you specifically. If you know someone, a sibling or friend, who is feeling the weakness they attribute to aging, please send them this video. It is fixable. Subscribe for the next video in our Strength series, the 12-minute daily routine designed specifically for you. I'm Dr. Claire Hollis. Tell me in the comments, which of these habits is yours? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video.